Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my new channel. So today we will learn English grammar in a very simple and easy way. And if you want to improve your English, so you are in the right place. So let's get started. As you know, today we are going to learn about English grammar basic topic, that is parts of speech. And as you know, what is parts of speech? Parts of one speech. There are different parts of one speech, so noun is also one of them. Today we are going to discuss about the noun. As you know, English is not useful for everyone. Everybody is not familiar with English language. So in this class we will use both English and Urdu so that everyone can easily understand the lesson. Here you can see two definitions. The naming word of anything is called noun. It's mean हर वो चीज़ जिसका नाम है, हर वो चीज़ जो अपना एक नाम रखती है, that is called noun. The second definition that you can see here, its noun are words denoting things and people. For example, school, water, flower. They may also denote abstract ideas or feelings. For example, truth, honesty, happiness. So don't just get panic by seeing this definition. Like as you can see here, things, people and different things they are just talking about. Just keep in your mind everything that has a name. हर वो चीज़, दुनिया में हर वो चीज़ जिसका एक नाम है, जो कि अपनी एक आइडेंटिटी रखती है, that is called noun. So here you can see below types of noun. As you know, nouns are broadly classified into the following types that you can see below: proper noun, collective noun, compound noun, common noun, material noun, countable noun and uncountable noun. So here look at one more concept, that is they may also denote abstract ideas or feelings. For example, truth, honesty, happiness. It's mean anything that is not visible, like that cannot be touched, heard or tasted. For example, हर वो चीज़ जिसको मतलब आप टच नहीं कर सकते, आप उसको स्मेल नहीं कर सकते, बट आप उसको इन फीलिंग डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, वो बेसिकली आपके एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आइडियाज़ और फीलिंग्स कहलाती हैं. ऑलराइट, जैसे कि ट्रुथ सच्चाई, ऑनेस्टी ईमानदारी, हैप्पीनेस मीन्स खुशी. So we already discussed about the types of noun, but we will further discuss these all types of nouns in upcoming lectures in more detail. Now look at the exercise. So in this exercise you only have to underline the noun, because हमने आज noun का concept अपना clear किया है. So look at the first line, the first sentence, that is Hira drew some funny cartoons in her painting classes. So here Hira is a name. I already told you कि कोई भी नाम होगा तो वो क्या होगा, noun होगा. So Hira got underlined. Next is drew some funny cartoons. Cartoons is again a name, so we get underlined. In her painting classes. Painting classes is basically a name, so again underlined. Now look at the second sentence, that is basketball and cricket are Rehan's favorite games. So here you can see two game names, basketball and cricket. So just simply underline both of them. Next is Rehan's. Rehan's is again a person name. Here it is again get underlined. Favorite games. Games is again a name. इसकी भी एक आइडेंटिटी है, एक नेम है गेम्स. सो इसको भी हमने क्या कर दिया, सिंपली अंडरलाइन कर दिया. लाइक सिंपली जस्ट अंडरलाइन ऑल द नाउन्स. इन थर्ड सेंटेंस यू कैन सी दीज कॉटन ड्रेसेस आर क्वाइट इनएक्सपेंसिव. हियर यू कैन सिंपली सी ओनली वन नाउन, दैट इज ड्रेसेस. फोर्थ सेंटेंस you can see Cathay fed bananas to the elephants at the zoo. Here Cathay is a person name, okay. Fed bananas, bananas is fruit name. To the elephants, elephants is animal name, and at the zoo is place name. So here all the names are getting discussed. तो आपने क्या किया, उन तमाम नामों को अंडरलाइन कर दिया. zoo of course it's a place name, एनिमल का नेम भी आ गया, फ्रूट्स नेम भी आ गए, पर्सन नेम भी आ गया, ठीक है. और स्पोर्ट्स के नेम्स भी इसमें आ गए आपके. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू सिंपली अंडरलाइन ऑल द नेम्स, ओके, विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन. डोंट जस्ट हैंग यू विद अ कॉन्सेप्ट कि हर वो चीज़ बस जो नेम, प्लेस और थिंग हो बस उसको ही अंडरलाइन करना होता है. नो, एनीथिंग दैट हैज़ अ नेम इज़ गेट अंडरलाइंड. उसमें आपके स्पोर्ट्स आ जाते हैं, उसमें आपके कार्टून्स आ सकते हैं, उसमें आपके एनिमल्स आ सकते हैं, प्लेसेस आ सकती हैं, कुछ भी आ सकता है. लाइक इट ऑल्सो होल्ड सम हाउ आइडेंटिटी. तो वो आपका क्या कहलाएगा? सिंपली आपका नाउन कहलाएगा. नाउ दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज़ लेसन. And I hope you understand today's grammar topic. Or if you found this video really helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Take care all of you, and Allah Hafiz.